Grade 7 TLE ICT, Page Break and Auto Table of Contents. Vocabulary. Word processing software is a type of application that allows users to manipulate and design text documents. It's commonly used for creating, editing, saving, and printing various types of written content. Page break is a command that forces content following it to start a new page. It ensures that specific sections or elements such as tables, images, or chapters begin on fresh pages. Column break. Similar to a page break, a column break forces content to start in a new column within a multi-column layout. Text wrapping break. This type of break affects how text wraps around an object. Like an image or shape, it allows you to control how text flows around the object, ensuring readability and visual appeal. Table of contents is a helpful way to organize and navigate through the different sections of a document. It provides readers with an overview of what topics or sections are covered and allows them to jump directly to specific parts of the content. Document, a file created in Word that can contain text, images, tables, and other elements. Demonstration, how to insert page and section breaks in MS Word. Page break, column break, text wrapping breaks, and then section breaks, next page, continuous, even, and odd pages. Show paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. This is especially useful for advanced layout tasks. Insert page and section breaks. Add a break at your current location to have your text pick up again at the next page, section, or column. Page. Mark the point at which one page ends and the next page begins. Column. Indicate that the text following the column break will begin in the next column. Text wrapping. Separate text around objects on web pages, such as caption text from body text. Section breaks. Next page. Insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. Continuous. Insert a section break and start the new section on the same page. Even page. Insert a section break and start the new section on the next even numbered page. Add page. Insert a section break and start the new section on the next odd numbered page. Now this time, let's try how this page and section breaks work.